Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost style in the Untitled boxing game. This unique style focuses on agility and precise timing, allowing you to phase through incoming attacks and deliver powerful counterpunches. We'll cover the core mechanics, from mastering your evasive maneuvers to setting up devastating combinations. Get ready to float like a butterfly and sting like a bee, dominating the ring with this elusive technique. Let's dive into the heart of Ghost style, evasion. To activate Ghost mode, simply press the assigned button, typically Q on your keyboard or the left bumper on a controller. This grants you a brief window, about 2 seconds, where you can phase through incoming punches. Timing is crucial. Activate it just before impact. Remember, each successful phase consumes a small amount of your stamina, so use it wisely and strategically. Once you've successfully phased through an attack, it's time to unleash your counter. The moment your opponent's punch passes through you, they are vulnerable. This is your window to strike back with quick jabs, hooks, or even a powerful uppercut. Aim to chain together 3 or 4 punches for a solid combo, maximizing the damage. Practice these immediate follow-ups to truly capitalize on your evasive prowess. To truly master Ghost style, focus on observing your opponent's attack patterns. Anticipating their moves will significantly improve your evasion timing. Don't just rely on phasing. Use your superior movement to control the ring, creating openings and avoiding unnecessary stamina drain. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practice against different AI opponents to refine your reflexes and perfect your elusive boxing technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.